Hi guys, it's Adam McDonald from Waverley Mitsubishi. I'm back to show you another one of the many great vehicles we have here. Right behind me is a 2019 Chevy Cruze Premier. I'm really excited about this one, so let's take a look. All right, now on the outside of this Cruze, you can see this is a very attractive sedan body style, and immediately this color pops. The color is a satin steel gray metallic. Now this Cruze is also sported by 17-inch aluminum wheels with all-season tires. Now underneath that hood is a 1.4 turbo engine that gets 6.3 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway, meaning you could drive up to 836 kilometers without even filling the tank one drop. Now this Cruze also comes with a command start to top it all off. So let's head inside and take a look at the interior. Now on the inside of the Chevy Cruze Premier, you can see just how clean this vehicle is. With power, leather seats, leather steering wheel, heated seats, and a heated steering wheel, you'd think that's enough. But to top it all off, you get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, backup camera, push button start, keyless entry, and more. Once again guys, it's Adam McDonald from Waverley Mitsubishi. Now this is just one of the many great vehicles we have here. Now I'd love to show you this Cruze or any of our over 100 used vehicles in the inventory. Till next time, take care and we'll see you soon.